Thinking about joining Creators Alliance? Let's find out if it's the real deal or just another online hype train. First, let's head over to their website. Take a look at their claims. They promise support, resources, and collaboration opportunities for creators. Notice anything vague? We need specifics. Now, let's dig into these so-called benefits. Do they offer concrete things like mentorship programs, marketing assistance? Or is it just generic feel-good language about community? Time for some independent research. Let's Google Creators Alliance reviews and see what other creators are saying. Pay attention to both positive and negative feedback. Analyze the reviews carefully. Are the positive reviews genuine or overly enthusiastic? Do the negative reviews seem legitimate, or are they just disgruntled individuals? Look for patterns. Ask yourself, is their pricing transparent? Can you find verifiable success stories from members? Are the benefits clearly defined and realistic? If not, that's a red flag. Ultimately, deciding if Creators Alliance is legit is up to you. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.